Okay, so I'm doing the video for the 6-box break. There's no trades after the randomization, so we're going to prime last because it is the bigger, most higher end product of it in front. So we're going to do contenders first. We'll work our way through SPX, Rickety Anthology, Luxury Suite, Limited, and then prime. So this is the YouTube video as well for the guys who are not there, but everybody else is on BlogTV right now. Away we go with Contenders. Good luck, everybody participating in the break. The record button is on. As always, I don't know if I need to say it, but base cards don't ship out of these, Contenders, SPX, and Rookie Anthology. Okay, try to get a little closer. Pavelski, Carter. We have Calder Contenders of $9.99 for the Minnesota Wild. Chris Friedheim. The person trying to trade the Wild. See? Look what you missed out. First hit. Decoy, Giunta, and Lettinen. For those who don't know, I do a just the hits video. It'll all be up on the website tomorrow at some point. So it'll be high res, so you guys can see team by team breakdown who you got. Carlson, Brown, Antropov, Decoy, Whitney, Sedin. I don't like that glare. Mike Smith, Ryan Smith, Redemption. I can put that down for a second. Decoy, Lidstrom, and Marchand. Let's see what the redemption is. NHL Inc. Duels, and I believe it's for the Philadelphia Flyers. Jody Shelley, Zach Ronaldo. I believe it's for the Philadelphia Flyers. I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure. 99.99999. Because Ronaldo's for the Flyers. Pierre-Marc Bouchard, Kopitar, Iginla, Decoy, Theodore, and Grabowski. Bad, but I like to look at almost every type of card, to be honest. Sad as that may sound. Paul, Tavares, Crawford, Calder Contenders, non-auto, non-patch variation out of 100, though, for the Winnipeg Jets. Paul Postma. I don't know why the focus does not like me today. Again, there'll be a high-res hits video later on. Anderson and Ovechkin. I know they're upside down, but they're base. Solani, Brodeur, Callahan, Decoy, Varlamov, and Eberle. Kessel. Oh, we have an auto rookie coming up. Hiller. We have an auto rookie out of 800 for the Phoenix Coyotes. David Rundblad for the Phoenix Coyotes. Decoy, Malkin, and Giroux. Cam Ward, Jeff Skinner. Contenders Legacies for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Mario Lemieux. Decoy, Jamie Benn, and Tim Thomas. We'll keep this box under an hour here, or this break under an hour. Alfredson, that's a joke by the way, it will be under an hour. Mika Kiprusoff, Stamkos, Decoy, spinning around, Luongo, and Mark Stahl. Base. Lucic, Howard, Perry, Decoy, Carey Price, and Patrick Kane. Yager, St. Louis, Hemsky, Decoy, Krejci, LeCavalier. All my decoys are falling over there. Zetterberg, Getzlaff, Palmanville, Decoy, Eliash, and Pronger. Datsuk, Miller, NHL Inc. for the Winnipeg Jets, Eric Fair. Second hit for Winnipeg, I think, if I remember right. To the Postma. Eric Fair. That's not a streak from the ink. That's the actual card. Decoy, Loophole, and Harding. Pietrangelo, Spezza, Duchesne, Decoy, Letang, and Andrew Ladd. Pacioretty, Stewart, Cup Contenders out of 9.99 for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Decoy, Michael Ryder, and Henrik Lundqvist. Mike Green, PK Subban, Zdeno Chara, Decoy, Erickson, and Gabrick. Couture, Briere, Weber, Decoy, Habibulin, and Eric Stahl, guy whose emblems of endorsement I have on the way. But I want out of another break. Yes, I take part in other people's breaks every now and then. Commodore, Boyle, Reamer, Decoy, Kessler, and Oshie. So that's it for the box of Contenders. Let's get moving to SPX. Sealed Diddy of XPX, of course. For those of you who didn't know, I had one box of SPX a couple weeks ago that was just dry, had nothing in it. I don't know if people were in on that break or not. It had two cards in it. They're both out of 4.99 rookies, not the jersey rookies, either the regular ones. But I still have to contact Upper Deck on that one. But later on in the same case, there was a box that had like, and it was in one of the group breaks here, had like 20 hits. It was just off the wall crazy. With like 4 auto rookie jerseys. Alright, good luck everybody on SPX. Horton, Tim Thomas. I like how far away everything is here. Decoy, Le Cavalier, and Bobby Ryan. Get closer to you guys. So maybe I'm gonna hit the zoom it in a little bit here. There we go. Parise, Weiss. We have winning combos for the Philadelphia Flyers of Giroux and JVR. Whoa. There we go. Just gotta knock that down there. Green and JVR. Steve Mason, Andre Pavlik, winning materials. Somebody called it Ovi, Washington Capitals. Camilleri and Vanek. Yeah, that's how it goes. When you're hot, you're hot. When you're not, Francis Zetterberg, Decoy, Alfredson, and Berger. Sorry, it's hard to read on the angle there. Ah, the autofocus is what I needed the whole time. Kick it in one level. Taylor Hall, Martin St. Louis, Decoy, Patrick Kane, Jerome McGinley. Weber, Price, Decoy, Stamkos, and Joe Thornton. We'll do the ice bonus pack last for SPX. Steppen, Heatley, Decoy, Jordan Eberle, I should know that. Jimmy Howard, Rene, Jokinen, Decoy, Patrick Sharp, and Mikko Koivu. Kuhlman, Erickson, Decoy. Oh, hold on, open. There we go. Decoy, Miller, and Brassard. Doughty, Datsuk, oh, Decoy, and a jumping Bergeron, and Eric Stahl. It's all base anyhow. Happens when I try to read them. Malkin, Payarvi, finally a rookie for the Anaheim Ducks. Devontae Smith-Pelly, and I don't know if this is stamped on or if he actually signed it. For those of you who know about that story. Hopefully it's real. Lidstrom and Backstrom. Now we should get a couple hits in a row. Paul Stastny, Matt Molson, a rookie jersey? Yes, out of $7.99 for the Montreal Canadiens. Rafael Diaz. You get the focus kick in. Does not like focus. Here, Diaz out of $7.99. Left Andres and Kopitar. Base. We'll go into these faster boxes in a second here. Jokinen. We have finite rookie out of $4.99 for the Ducks. Peter Holland. I like the finite rookies actually. They're nice looking cards. Decoy, Lundqvist, and Roy. Oyel, Jordan Stahl, Decoy. My hands are getting dry. Bruce Galov, and Subban. Sagan, Mueller, rookie out of $4.99 again. Peter Holland for the Ducks. It's the Peter Holland show. I don't say that very often. Doesn't want to focus, but it is Peter Holland for the Ducks. A Decoy and Crosby. Hemsky, Gabrick, yes. Decoy, Duchesne, and Berglund. Two regular packs left, and on to the ice bonus pack here, guys. Marlowe, Bomeister, Decoy, Tavares, and Sedin. Chara, Backes, Decoy, Lucic, and Hossa. Some people really like SPX, like really like it, to be honest. Kessler, Kovalchuk, Tavares, Couture, Gustav Nyquist. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize I was higher up. Gustav Nyquist, Ice Premiers for $19.99. Not a bad rookie. Yeah, just kind of weird numbering sequence. I know what you said. I know what you meant. Okay, let's do rookie anthology next. Right now, you guys can't really see the boxes there. There's some decoys. Alright, remember, rookie anthology, of course, base don't ship for this either. And you wouldn't want them to because it would dilute your chance for getting a free spawn if you weren't doing well. So we're going to put the bonus pack for rookie anthology right there. It feels really thin, so it's probably a private signings. I hope, not a crappy card. But it is thin, whatever it is. Scissors over there. Alright, here we go on rookie anthology, guys. No, sorry, Zalma, it was Ronaldo and Jody Shelley. Okay, Lettinen, Marchand, Crown Royal, Rookie Royalty for the Edmonton Oilers, I believe. Yes, Milan Kitnash. Kitnash, I believe is the right way to say his name. Not Kitnar. Rookie Royalty Kitnash, Edmonton Oilers. Decoy, Cam Ward, and Brad Richards. Pack 2. Kessel, Briere, rookie for the Phoenix Coyotes, Pinnacle rookie, Andy Miele. Boom. Boom? No. Decoy, Hossa, and Wheeler. Open up. Nice pack. Brian Elliott, Daniel Alfredson, Martin Biron, Redemption Land, Hartnell, and Roberto Luongo. Let's see what the redemption is. Rookie Treasures level 3 for the Dallas Stars, Thomas Vinsour. Pack 4 for Rookie Anthology. Couture, Taze, Pinnacle Rookie, Greg Rallo for the Florida Panthers. Greg Rallo. A decoy, Matt Molson, and Jonas Gustafsson. Those of you waiting for Dominion in the Cup, they are coming up next. Dominion first, then the Cup. Nick Lidstrom, Ray Whitney, Carey Price, rookie rivalry between the Canucks and the Wild, Jan Sauvé and Brett Ballmer. That'll be randomized at the end. Again, remember to yell at me, because I do tend to forget the randomizations. And it's not on purpose. I'm just an idiot some days, or tired. Eric Cole and Jonathan Quick. Thornton, Sedin, Pinnacle rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, Bill Sweat. Focus kick in would be great. P Sweat, Bill Sweat. Decoy, Gabrick, and Varlamov. There's a few packs left on Rookie Anthology here. Vanek, Lundqvist, a rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers, Harry Zolnierczyk. I think I actually said his name right. Decoy, Crosby, and Stamkos. I had one of those once. I had to get it removed. Parise, Theodore. Color Contenders for the second time today. Leland Irving. Oh, $9.99. Decoy, Dion Phaneuf, and Patrick Elias. Evander Kane, Daniel Sedin, Eli Mihalik. We have a rookie with an auto again. Not bad, not bad. 2 in a row. Out of 299 for the New York Rangers, Carl Hagelin. Not a bad rookie. Not a bad rookie. Showing that Rocky. Tim Thomas and Patrice Bergeron. Last regular pack, and then we'll do the rookie anthology bonus pack there. Erickson, Kiprasov, Kovalchuk. We have draft year, rookie draft year combos, I guess there. Rostislav Olesz and Nick Johnson. I believe who's that between then? That's between Florida and Pittsburgh on the back. 2004 draft year combos, rookie draft year combos. Trying to get the focus to kick in, which it does not want to do. There you go. Olesz and Johnson, Panthers and Pens. It's got to get randomized at the end here. That right there. Brodeur and Palmville. Let's do this one. A lot of air in it. I'm not feeling the yeah, that's what I thought. Not bad, but well, you know. Auto rookie John Moore. Crown Royal. For the Columbus Blue Jackets. Alrighty, on to the next one. I was feeling it to be I thought it was gonna be a private signing, to be honest. That's why I feel a little let down. We'll do luxury suite here next. Everything ships in luxury suite. Everything ships in limited. Everything ships in prime. Because they are all serial numbered. Everything. Most everything, I think. Should better keep that up. That's the checklist. I might need it. Box. 12 to 13 cards usually at a luxury suite. And away we go. 10-11 luxury suite, guys. The only year it was made. For the New Jersey Devils, rookie out of 899, Jacob Josefsson. We have a jersey swatch. I believe it was his rookie year, no? Jonas Gustafsson for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Got a $5.99 on the back. If it would focus, you could see everything nicely. Focus. There we go. We have an auto rookie out of $4.99. Brandon Peary for the Chicago Blackhawks. Nice looking card. Toss that one. That's a thick pack, this one. Yeah, 4 cards of this one. We have a rookie right off the hop for the St. Louis Blues, Ryan Reeves. Ryan Reeves. We can get that to firm up. That'd be out of $8.99, I assume. For the Boston Bruins, we have another rookie, Matt Bartkowski, also out of $8.99. We have for the New York Rangers a jersey swatch out of $5.99 of Sean Avery. For the New York Rangers. The guy everybody loved to hate for a while there. He was actually friends with my brother-in-law. And we have for the Chicago Blackhawks a jersey and prime jersey out of 150 of Michael Frolik. It's a nice looking card. All right, pack 3 from Luxury Suite. We have for the Dallas Stars, jersey out of rookie out of 899 of Richard Bachman. We have for the Philadelphia Flyers a jersey out of 599 of Jeff Carter. And again, we have a jersey prime jersey out of 150 of Mika Kiprasov this time. Last pack of Luxury Suite coming up. Then we go to Limited. Another 4 cards, actually. We get an extra 2 cards out of Luxury Suite this time. So, New Jersey Devils, we have Jeff Frazee out of 899 rookie card. There's a redemption in this one. We have a jersey swatch for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Rick Nash out of 599. We have a redemption, which I'm just going to put down for a half sec. We're going to have a, for the Vancouver Canucks, almost like a dual combo jersey here of Mason Raymond and Ryan Kessler. That's out of out of 599. That was out of 150 for some reason. Kessler and Raymond. Okay, let's see what the redemption is. Of course, it's going to be expired, but it's Rookies Group 3. Card number 165. Panini will work with you on these guys, from what I've been told. Card number 165. Let's see who it is. I have to double check on which team he is, but Nick Spalling. My thumb, where my finger is. Nick Spalling, 165. Yeah, I thought he was a Wild. I wasn't 100%. Okay, I'll double check anyway. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you're right. All right, Limited's up next. 12-13 Limited. One person yells Nashville. One person yells Wild. I'll double check it. Oh, it's who he was with the card. Anyhow. Oh, was he traded today? What are the odds of that? I can't open a pack of cards. Of course, everything gets shipped unlimited. Saying that for the guys on YouTube. And away we go. First card, base card of 299. For the New York Rangers, Brad Richards. Get that to firm up. If I can, if I may, Brad Richards. Guys with limited, it's going to be the name on the card because for some reason they have old photos and they change the team name on a lot of them. If it happens, I don't know if it's going to happen. Rookie card, sorry, not rookie. A base card of 299 again. Jordan Eberle for the Oilers. Just so you know, because when I had the case, that's the rules I kind of took. We have our rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers, a Phenoms. Out of 499 of Brandon Manning. Brandon Manning, there we go. Try to get into there and then slowly come back. We have a Monikers out of 99. It's not a bad player to get. Pavel Datsyuk. We have a jersey parallel of Marian Hossa for the Chicago Blackhawks, also at a 99. I actually like the looks of the limited cards this year. So he does well in lots of my breaks. Inordinately well. We have Stanley Cup winners for the LA Kings of Jeff Carter. That's out of 199. And we have an out of 49 base silver parallel of Zach Parise for the Minnesota Wild. They actually did get him in a Minnesota Wild jersey here. Okay, let us move on to Prime, the big boy of this break. I might do a case of Prime next week, guys, if anybody's into that. I'm thinking about it if I can get my hands on it. It's not cheap, though. It's not cheap. It's actually only about 150 bucks cheaper than Dominion right now. They're on my knife here for some reason. Last few days it's been missing in action. One big super thick pack of Prime. Of course it says 5 cards per pack, but we all know it's usually about 7. So it's usually 5 hits and 2 base cards. And I get some insane stuff out of Prime. I don't know why, but I just do. Here's the goodness, and away we go. First card is a base card of Tim Thomas for the Boston Bruins out of 249. Tim Thomas. Good luck, everybody, in Prime here. We have an auto rookie for the Nashville Predators, another team that always kills it with me, out of 199 of Ryan Ellis. Come on, focus on the name and go out. I don't know why he doesn't like it. Yeah, he just hit a Tim Thomas base. I have to check the rest. Ryan Ellis. For the Sens. Wow, oh my god. Tell me that's not what I think it is. No, sorry. Ha ha ha. Just like to tease you guys a little bit. Prime combos. Alfredson and Spezza out of 225. That's what I was saying, and I'll tell you guys why I said this in a second. Out of 16, Prime colors for the New York Rangers of Brandon Dubinsky. I saw the A. For a second, I thought it was the bottom half of a C. Because I don't know if you guys remember, but I pulled the top half of the captain's cloth for Mark Messier for the Rangers. I thought I had the bottom half. Dubinsky, come on, Prime colors, kick in. Dubinsky Rangers, out of 16. We have a Prime rookies that's actually pretty nasty for the Columbus Blue Jackets, out of 50. Ryan Johansson. Another dirty, dirty card. We have a redemption, which I'm just going to put down for a sec. And then we have a Prime base parallel for the Colorado Avalanche out of 25 of Joe Sakic. We'll see what the last card is in 1 sec here. Just going to firm this up. Out of 25. There we go. Joe Sakic. And let's see what we got. Oh, guys, I can't even show you this. I mean, I can, but I got to put my finger over here because the actual redemption code is showing. You wouldn't believe this. They goofed on the sticker. Prime rookies, auto quad jersey, Eric Goodbranson for the Florida Panthers. So that's it for this video. I'm going to stop this one. I got to put that down so nobody can take a peek. I know you were. I'm going to stop the video, guys, and I'm going to upload it. And then we'll go on Dominion here.